Hello, guys. Today we are starting with our learning class. Today is our review class number 12. All the topics we are going to talk about, we are going to talk about can, can't, and can. We are going to talk about can in all its forms for abilities. We're going to talk about adjectives to describe people or situations. And also, we are going to talk about present continuous in positive, negative, and interrogative, all its forms. Right, so we are going to start with the first lesson. We are going to talk about can. We have positive and negative. For positive, we can use can for all the subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. We can use for all of them. As you can see right here, we have the example. This is the positive. She can drive. I can go tomorrow. And this is the interrogative. Can you help me? Now we have the negative form. She can't drive, or we can also say she cannot drive, or she can't not drive. I can go tomorrow and I can help you. We're going to see all the forms right here. We have the positive, negative, and question. We also have the short answer. We have the ability, permission, possibility, ordering, asking for something, and all the comments or mistakes we can have, right? So we're going to go first with the positive form. Positive, we can use for I, you, he, she, it, and we, you, they. We can also use it for singular or plural. For positive, we just use can and we use the verb. So subject pronoun plus verb can plus our verb plus complement. In negative, we use all the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns, we can use any of them. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay? And we can also use a can, but we use it as a negative. Cannot or can't. This is a negative. This is a no. So these will be I cannot sing, or I can't sing, or he can't sing. For positive, I can sing, you can sing, he can sing, or she can sing. For question, it's just the same thing as positive, but we switch we switch the subject pronoun and the verb can. So we have can first, and after that we use the subject pronoun. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And at the end of it, we use the verb and complement, and we use a question mark, right? For sure answers for these questions, we have yes and no. So yes, I can. No, I cannot. Or no, I can't. Yes, you can. Yes, he can. Yes, she can. No, I cannot. No, he cannot. No, she cannot. Or no, I can't. No, you can't. No, he can't. Or no, she can't. For use for ability, we can use this for ability, permission, and possibility. For ability, we can use it as these next examples. We have two examples. Laura can sing very well. I can't speak German. For permission, we can use it. Can I sit here? Or you can't park your car here. For possibility, I can't come to the party. Can you go? For ordering, asking for something. Can I have a soda, please? Can you drive me to the station? For common or mistakes, we are going to see all the common mistakes right here. We have, she can't swim. We cannot use an S at the end of the verb can. We cannot, okay? This is the common, she can swim. This is right. What is wrong is she can't swim. We cannot use the S at the end of the verb can. Do you speak English? Well, sorry. Do you can speak English? We cannot use the verb do at the end of it, that is present simple, and we cannot use the verb do and also use the can, right? So the right way to write it, it will be, or say it, it will be, can you speak English? We cannot use do you can speak English. We cannot use both. We just use do you speak English or can you speak English? Okay, just we can use either do or either can, but we cannot use both of them, right? Also, we have I can't come. It's not necessary to use to between can and the verb. So it will be, I can't come. That will be the right way to say it. Okay, so we are done with this topic right here. Let's go and move on to adjectives to describe people's or situations. We have these adjectives to describe people. We are going to go first with this one. We can describe appearance, hair, eyes, face, or body. For appearance, we have beautiful, cute, gorgeous, handsome, young, old, pretty, stylish, attractive. For hair, we can use long, short, straight, curly, wavy, blondie, black, brown, or bald. For eyes, we can use big, small, blue, green, brown, black, beautiful, expressive, sparkling. For face, we can use round, oval, square, big, small, youthful, elegant, attractive, or charming. And for body, we can use fat, teen, slim, slender, skinny, petite, athletic, lean, and curvy. We have all these adjectives to describe a person. So we can describe a person by their appearance, their hair, their eyes, their face, or their body. So we have all of these adjectives we can use. We can use for appearance. That means how you look for other people. Hair, we can describe our hair. If it's straight, if it's curly, what color is it? We can describe our eyes, if they are big, if they're small, if they are, what color they are. We can describe any color. For face, we can talk about how our face is. If it's good looking, if it's attractive, if it's young, old, if it's big, if it's small, if it's round, oval, square. And for body, we can describe how our body is. We can describe if it's thin, fat, slim, slender, they're skinny, they're athletic, lean, curvy. We can describe all of this. All right, let's go to our next topic. We have present continuous in all its forms. We have present continuous in all its forms. As we just saw the verb can't in all its forms, we can see now present continuous in all its forms, right? So we have affirmative, negative, and question as a positive, negative, or interrogative. For question word, in question, we have where and why. We have the subject. We can use any subject we want. We can talk about names. We can say names. We can talk about subject pronouns, I, you, we, they. For the verb to be, it will be am, is, are. Depend if you are using I, it's for you, we, they, it's are, and he, she, it is is, right? Now next one, we use the subject, so it will be the question word, verb to be, subject, and ing form. So we write the verb and ing at the end of it. So the question will be, where is Susan hiding? Why are they breaking it? Right? So we use question word. We have all the questions words as what, where, when, why, who, whose, whom, how. We have all these question words, right? So we use a question word. Next, we use a verb to be, is, are. Depends of what subject pronouns we are using. So we write is, are. And after that, we use a subject. We can use a name, or we can also use the subject pronouns as I, you, we, they, he, she, it. We can use any of them. And the ing form. So it will be the verb plus ing at the end of the verb. And also, if you want to write a complement, you can do it. Let's go to affirmative. Affirmative, we also, we start with the subject. We can also use a name or a subject pronoun that we already know. What are the subject pronouns? Okay, so we have the subject pronoun, we have the verb to be, and we have the ing form and complement if you want to add a complement. So it will be, the sentence will be like, people are arriving already, or I am feeling unwell. So that is affirmative or positive sentence. For negative, we have subject. We do have the verb to be, but we have the verb to be in negative. So aren't, isn't, or I am not. So aren't, it's for we, you, they. Isn't, it's for it's for he, she, it. And not, it's for I, right? So we also have subject. We have the verb to be plus not, that it will be the negative form, plus ing form, plus our complement. So what would it be? It will be subject. The sentence will be like this. We aren't laughing. Or John isn't writing anything. So it will be subject, or aren't, or isn't, or I'm not. It will be the negative form we add for our subject. Plus we have the ing form, that it will be the verb, plus ing at the end of it, and the complement. Okay, so it will be, we aren't laughing. John isn't writing anything. For affirmative, people are arriving already. I am feeling unwell. Where is Susan hiding? Why are they breaking it? So it will be question. Where is Susan hiding? Why are they breaking it? So the question will be like this. The question will be question word. It will be verb to be. Is, are. It will be the subject. We can use a name, or we can use any subject pronoun. And ing form. For ing form, we can use a verb plus ing at the end of the verb plus a complement, right? That will be our question or our interrogative form. For affirmative, we have subject, that it can be a name or a subject pronoun, that it will be I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or we can also use a name of a subject pronoun or a person. Then we use the verb to be. The verb to be will be are, is. And we use the ing form, that it will be the verb plus the ing at the end of the verb and the complement at the end of it if you want to add it. Then For negative, we have subject, that it will be any subject pronoun, that it will be I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or any name you want to use. Then we have the negative form, that it will be am, is, are, plus not. So it will be I'm not, aren't, or isn't. And ing form. For ing form, we can use the verb plus ing at the end of the verb plus a complement. So all of them have such as affirmative and negative have subject pronoun, have verb to be, or negative form, ing form, that is verb plus ing at the end of it, and complement. For question, we have question word, verb to be, subject pronoun, ing form, that is verb plus ing, plus complement.